In the forest, the
grizzly bear.
roars. The
Deer.
is ready to run. The
Fox.
sniffs the ground. The
Wolf.
howls. Underwater, the
Dolphin.
dives deep. The
Lobster.
clicks its claws. The
Whale.
is biggest of them all. In the sky, the
Blue jay.
stands on the wind, or sails on the wind. The
Bee.
buzzes. The
Owl.
hunts. The
Seagull.
looks for water. In a cave, the
Bat.
waits for night. The
Spider.
spins a sticky web. Up a tree, the
Woodpecker.
hammers to find food. What? Where are you going? Did Dad turn off the fan? You want the fan back on? You let Dad